I think Mumbai needed a place, or rather Bombay needed a place. Most of the places are just opening up, but it's not really fulfilling. This is the place we want to fulfill the people and give them something what they want. Beer price very low, very low costing, but craft beer, no glycerin, no additives, no preservative, healthy drinking.
So what is the USP of the place? We've just had wonderful taste of different sort of beers today. So what do we actually serve here?
Well, we serve German wheat, we serve barley, that is Belgian barley. We have malts
Irish
imported,
stout, yeah.
Irish stout,
my
ale,
favorite.
pale ale, wheat beer, and also our lagers. Then we do combinations with different fruits like cider. We do guava, but I'm sure you can get a better look when you actually taste the beer.
Sunita, asking you about the ambience and the food in the place. What do you have to say?
The ambience, you've seen it, it's really nice. And it's so inviting, it's so warm, isn't it?
Absolutely. So what would you recommend a person to come and pick for the day or for the evening?
For the eating, my
Oh.
buffalo wings are amazing. But anything on the menu, whether
Everything
veg or
is
non-veg,
really nice. The
everything is
vegetarian
fantastic.
food is also very nice.
I have a
And,
good chef.
Yeah, we have a very good chef and the food is really awesome. Really delicious.
The entertainment area also. So what are the plans? How do you
We've actually named that place Wacky Crazy Area.
That area in the corner has got a
So
wacky
we're
crazy.
gonna have a lot
You
of
do what you
parties
feel
there.
like, party do
Just
what you
go-
want. It's a party scene. But I'm not going to keep it only for parties. Regulars are very important to me. So we can keep one area for parties. The rest is always regular. Never going to close down. No private parties ever for the whole place. That's for sure.
So asking about the whole format and the structure of the brewery, just tell us a little,
Well, I am not totally equipped to give you the information, but what we can tell you is one thing. We have imported wheat, barley, hops, malts. We cook it in the bhatti, was what I call it, a bhatti. And then we ferment it. After fermentation, we give you the beer without any preservatives, without any additives, or without any glycerin. So it's healthy for you. You don't have a whoop feeling after drinking maybe 2 liters of beer.
So what do we see the Pambum factory going further down the Bombay?
Well,
Are there more
we-
branches moving out of this
We are looking at the next branch to be held in Powai, 2 in Thane, and 1 in Lower Parel. We want to do 5. Then we'll think about where else we're going to go out of India. I've got office of Aurangabad, I've got office from Nagpur, I've got office from Delhi, but Delhi doesn't have a licenses yet. So we're looking at options right now.
So you are talking about recommending the beer for women. What is your recommendation?
Oh, my all-time favorite is the guava Irish stout. That's what we've not named it as yet, but that's really nice.
The guava base.
And the guava base, yeah. The different, even the cider is very tasty and very nice.
So just on parting note, we would like to know what is the response that you got from the people today who are here?
Well, I have got so many people coming in here, they have appreciated my food. Beer tasting I have not done in a very big way, but whoever had my beer, Hogarden was very good in India, but Hogarden now comes only in bottles. They don't have fresh beer anymore. We're trying to come to that level. We can make our beer, the Pamprum beer, as a Hogarden beer. That's wheat beer, the best selling beer ever. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, and सबसे पहले तो I just want to ask what is the beer like factory यहाँ पे जो बड़े-बड़े केन्स दिख रहे हैं वो really ये beer बनने वाली है यहाँ पे?
ये बियर फैक्ट्री इंग्लिश में बहुत सोफिस्टिकेटेड साउंड हो रहा है. बेसिकली हमने यहाँ बियर की भट्टी लगा रखी है. वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग आवर ओन बियर. हम यहाँ हॉप्स, बार्ले, वीट जो मेन इंग्रेडिएंट्स होते हैं बियर के, वी आर मेकिंग बियर आउट ऑफ इट. जो 3 बड़े टैंक्स आप अंदर देख रहे थे गोल्ड कलर के, that's the actual place, that's the actual kettle where the beer is being made, and then it's been transferred to the other places. Like gradually आप बाकी सारे kettles जो देख रहे हैं, फिर वहाँ पे chiller compressor है where the beer is being made, fermented, जहाँ actual temperature जहाँ आता है, then we serve the beer to the client, and it's freshly made brewed home brew beer.
इससे पहले मैंने सुना था कि आप बात कर रहे थे ग्लिसरीन, तो मुझे बियर के बारे में कुछ आइडिया नहीं है, बट मैं जानना चाहूँगी विदाउट ग्लिसरीन वाले बियर का क्या है, मतलब बिकॉज यू गाइस आर लाइक कि अगर आप इसे पियेंगे तो इट्स अ डिफरेंट टेस्ट, तो मुझे वो जानना है.
सी ऑनेस्टली ये सारी डिटेल आपको बताएंगे संजय लोहिया, माय बेटर हाफ, whose brain child is this place. आप मुझसे मेरे गानों के बारे में पूछोगे तो मैं बता दूंगी, but for this place he will speak about it.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन.
Thank you.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन. लाइक बियर फैक्ट्री के बारे में तो उन्होंने मुझे बता दिया है कि ये जो नाम रखा है एंड ऑल दैट. मुझे जानना है कि आप थोड़ी देर पहले बात कर रहे थे बियर जो मतलब आई डोंट हैव मतलब मेरे को आइडिया नहीं उसके बारे में, बट वो विदाउट ग्लिसरीन बियर के बारे में मुझे जानना है.
When we make beer over here, we do not add anything unnatural to it. There are no preservatives added, there's nothing added to it. Beer is made only out of beer, malts, hops, yeast and water, that's it. Only 4 natural ingredients, that's it. So even if you drink 1 liter of beer every day, We will not put on any weight.
ओके एंड अभी हमने थोड़ी देर पहले गुआवा टेस्ट किया था उसका क्या है मतलब व्हाट इज दैट
We are doing a lot of trials with beer. We doing a lot of infusions. We're trying to do very different experiments with beer. Beer is like potato. You can do millions of things with the potato like. So beer is the same way. You can do millions of things. We're doing a lot of molecular cocktails with beer. We're doing a lot of different cocktails with beer. Beer shots we are doing. It's a beer-centric place basically. And we
Talking about the place, Sanjay, what would be the USP of the place?
My brewery.
Okay, so this is one of its kind in Bombay, and
No, it's not one of its kind. There are other breweries as well in Bombay. There are three of them as of now. This is the fourth one.
so what is our
But-
USP? Yes, how do we stand out with others?
Oh, my beer will talk. The beers which we are creating over here, the kind of experimenting we are doing with beer, and we've had people come in and taste the beers which we are doing, and we've got very good reviews with that one.
Lisa, talking about women and liking beer, what would you recommend? What is the pick gonna be?
Frankly speaking, I'm not a person who drinks too much, but not because it's my own product and my place. But the beer really tastes very good, and I've tried the wheat, the amber ale, the pale ale, and in fact today I tried the guava flavor that we were just talking about. I guess it's going to be a hit amongst especially artists like us. But there's a myth, you know. Earlier we used to think that beer will make us fat or it'll make us bloat up, and there's nothing. It's just a myth. Beer will never make you put on weight.
You go to Europe, anywhere
yes.
in Europe, everybody drinks beer. You go to Australia, everybody drinks beer.
I guess after we started this place, we've actually observed that beer drinkers are maximum ladies and girls.
Sanjay, talking about the entertainment area which we've seen, it's like, so what are your future plans talking about the place?
That area basically has been designed keeping in mind that we're going to have live performances over here. Not your normal run-of-the-mill performances which you see normally people doing, but we want to get artists, different genre of music we want to play. We want to create things like a Coke studio over here, get Sufi bands and come and play over here. A different kind of concept. Not your usual run-of-the-mill kind of get a nice DJ and let him blast the music. No, not that kind of thing. It's a place where people would sit and talk. You can have communication over here.
So talking about going ahead, Sanjay, what would you recommend in terms of the beer drinkers in Bombay? What is the message that you want to give out of the Bombay?
We are open from tomorrow. Come on in. All beer drinkers, come on in. We are open.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
चमन जी, आज लॉन्च है बियर फैक्ट्री का. आप कितने बड़े बियर ड्रिंकर हैं या नहीं, और क्या कहना चाहिए?
नहीं, मैं ज़्यादा बियर ड्रिंक नहीं हूँ. मैं ड्रिंक भी बहुत कम करता हूँ. रेयर ड्रिंक होता है. लेकिन ये हमारे फ्रेंड संजय और लीज़ा का है. तो लीज़ा मेरी आर्टिस्ट है और मैं उनके लिए विश करता हूँ. और ये बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक प्लेस है. जो आप जैसे एंट्री करेंगे तो बहुत ही पॉजिटिव एनर्जी है. जो सबसे पहले किसी प्लेस में हम जाते हैं तो फील इट की कुछ एनर्जी बहुत पॉजिटिव आनी चाहिए. तो आई फील इट वेरी पॉजिटिव एनर्जी इन दिस प्लेस. एंड आई विश लीज़ा एंड संजय बोथ ऑफ देम एंड हिज पार्टनर कि इट्स अ ग्रैंड सक्सेस फॉर हिम.
चमन, हम जानना चाहेंगे जो ये ब्रूरी का कॉन्सेप्ट है, आपको जुलाई ब्रूरी का जितने फ्लेवर्स हैं, आपको क्या लगता है बॉम्बे की जो ऑडियंस है या बियर ड्रिंकर्स हैं, कितना इसको पसंद करेंगे?
डेफिनेटली यंगस्टर तो पसंद करते ही हैं. देखिए कॉलेज स्टूडेंट जितने हैं उनको तो ये प्लेस बहुत ही पसंद आएगा. मुझे लगता है कि दोपहर को आपको जगह नहीं मिलेगी यहाँ बैठने के लिए. तो और डिफरेंट फ्लेवर है. तो एक्चुअली ज़्यादा मैं खुद पीता नहीं हूँ तो मुझे इतना पता नहीं. लेकिन मुझे ये प्लेस बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और यंगस्टर्स को पसंद करेंगे डेफिनेटली.
एक वर्ड में आप एक्सपीरियंस डिस्क्राइब करना चाहें तो क्या कहेंगे?
इट्स फैंटास्टिक प्लेस. इट्स लव इट एंड एवरीबडी विल लव इट एंड आई विश हिम ऑल द बेस्ट.
The place is awesome, the beer rocks, and you guys should really try it. The best place in Mumbai. Cheers.
You know the Pump Room Beer Factory.
Yeah.
What do you want to tell us about this?
Well, it's a brewery, and they're going to be brewing beer here, which is so unique. And because mostly in Mumbai we don't have things like this, you know, we really miss it. I really miss it to have like. I would love to have a vineyard here somewhere that you can go and have wine at the same time, like you go to Europe and stuff. So Sanjay and Lisa and Fatesh have done a great job by opening this brewery right here in Andheri Lokanwala. We really needed something so cool here. So I'm so happy, and they're my friends, so I'm very happy for them.
आपको क्या पसंद आया यहाँ पे लाइक?
मेरी फेवरेट, हालांकि मैं बियर पीती नहीं हूँ तो बट फिर भी I only come and drink here because it's so fresh. It's like मेरी फेवरेट मुझे फ्रूट बेस्ड बियर बहुत पसंद है. सो मेरी फेवरेट यहाँ पर अभी तक गुआवा फ्लेवर है. मैंने अभी तक 2-3 ग्लास ऑलरेडी पी चुकी हूँ. मुझे कुछ मतलब हालांकि मैं बियर को कभी टच भी नहीं करती, बट जेन्युइनली दिस इज़ अ रियली गुड क्वालिटी बियर.
And what about the food?
The food is also amazing. There's some green chicken tikka. I don't know what's it called, but it's mind blowing. And the fish here, basa fish, is amazing. Everything is amazing actually. We have been coming here for food trials like almost every week, and every week they bring out so much food and so many nice things that it's very difficult for me to choose कि कौन सा ज़्यादा अच्छा है. But health wise, if अगर मैं चाहूँ तो I would always choose a chicken or a fish dish because it has protein.
आपको क्या लगता है मुंबई में जितने भी यंगस्टर हैं और जितने भी लाइक पार्टी करने वाले बच्चे हैं उनको कितना पसंद आने वाला
आई थिंक बहुत पसंद आएगा बिकॉज एक तो जगह बहुत बड़ी है, दूसरा ऐसी जगह है कहाँ, यहाँ पर आप ढूंढते रहते हो, कितनी सारी जगहें मिलती नहीं है बॉम्बे में. रियली सीरियसली अगर आज मुझे कहीं बाहर जाना हो तो मैं 50 बार सोच के फिर से मतलब मैं घर में अपने पार्टी कर लेती हूँ अपने दोस्तों को बुला के, बिकॉज कुछ अच्छा है ही नहीं. एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट मेरे अपने दोस्तों ने ये जगह यहाँ पे खोली है, और वो भी अंधेरी में. आप बैंड्रा साइड में जाओगे तो आपको फिर भी कुछ जगह मिल जाएगी, बट लोकल अंधेरी फॉर अंधेरी पीपल इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो नाउ आई थिंक इवन बैंड्रा पीपल, इवन टाउन पीपल हैव अ रीजन टू कम हियर बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक देयर आर मेनी ब्रूअरीज इन बॉम्बे.
तो वन वर्ड में अगर कुछ डिस्क्राइब करना चाहेंगे तो व्हाट इज योर
One word, rocking.
वर्ड? थैंक यू सो मच.
You're welcome.